Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be replacing a head on a ring that has a Marquise stone. We have our ring. It has a Marquise center stone. The prongs are worn down. And we have our new head here. It's a peg setting. So this one also has a peg inside of it. So it's got kind of quite a bit of material there, and then we'll warm this ring up, we'll remove the head, and put this new one in. All right, let's get started. All right, step one, we're going to remove the stone from the ring. We've removed the stone from the head. So now the next step is we're going to warm up the ring. We're going to warm up the core of the ring, and then we're going to remove the head from this. We have our ring. We're going to retip some of these prongs and address any things that's going on with them. The next step is to take our stone and put it into the head. So we're going to be checking where and how the stone fits. The girdle on it's pretty thick, so we go from thick to like very thick on the points. So we're going to worry about the sides of the stone first, see where that aligns and cut that, and then we're going to worry about the points and use a ball burr to burr those out. Right now we're rounding over the prongs. So we re-tipped them all. We have to clean up the excess metal. So we went in with some sandpaper, and now we're using this blue wheel, and it just gently removes metal. We just polished the ring. We're going to ultrasonic it now. We're going to steam the ring now. So we've finished polishing the rings, ultrasonicked and steamed it. We have our new head in there, and we re-tipped all the prongs. Everything's all set to go. Well, thanks for joining us as we replaced a head on this ring and did some re-tipping. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.